Howdy, my friend Tyler Banken here. I am super excited for this episode of Green Tea Time as we're going to show you how to make a DIY gift that's perfect for dad. We're going to keep this one super simple. All you need is a pot, some soil, some rocks, one roll of sod, and scissors or a knife. First, we're going to cut our sod. Take your pot, place it upside down on the sod, cut around it so you have the exact amount you need for your pot. Oh yeah. We're going to throw about an inch of rock in the bottom of the pot to help the soil drain. Next up, we're going to add in our soil, fill with soil to about an inch from the top, and then place your sod. Add your desired accent. My dad's a big golfer, so this is definitely the ticket for his gift. And you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching. We will see y'all next time on Green Tea Time.